Hi guys, today we have two little special guests over here. She is a little baby Flo and he is a little baby Mowgli. So guys, today's topic is very special. You know why you got here. We are shooting a video on how to do hooded eyes on a trend and it is really an informative video. I'm really distracted by these two beauties here, but it is an amazing video. Please like to this video if you like, subscribe to our channel and show some love.
All right, so before starting, I want to tell you guys right now I am in a very chatty mood. I was just kind of watching YouTube makeup tutorials. मेरा बहुत मन हो रहा था to see makeup tutorial and I was like, hey, wait a second, we have so much of like video pre-filmed. Why are we not putting it? So starting off, you can see we are taking this favorite shade. This is our favorite shade and we just have to put it, give the transition. Right now, the reason you are seeing this phone is because we were also making some reels. If you are not already following our page, this is our page named by the Twins Magic. We make a lot of like quick tricks that you should definitely check it out. So, also, guys, just a heads up, we kind of filmed this video back in December or January, and right now it's July. So, legit, we are posting this video after 7 months. I don't know what's wrong with us. This happens, the bridal season came, we shifted to Mumbai. Clearly, I'm in a very chatty mood. Let's go back to the tutorial, please. By the way, how pretty is she looking? Oof, her eyes just look so big. I love her lips. Okay, let's go back, follow us. We took the shade, and now what I'm doing is I'm kind of taking a bit deeper color than what I took and just applying it on her outer corner, but keeping it closer to the lash line. Whenever you are in doubt, just blend, blend, blend. Oh, I love this transition shade. What should I say? You have seen we have hit a pan on it, and there's a reason for it. I love it. We use it on the brides, we use it all the time. Once that is done, I am taking a big fluffy brush and just diffusing up the edges. So अभी हमारा मेन फोकस है कि हमने जो भी हमारा कलर है वो हमने बाहर आउटर कॉर्नर में ऐड करना है. Now I am taking a deeper brown, like pure brown shade, and again adding it on the outer fourth, outer corner, and almost making a like a V shape, and just again going बैक जो मेरा पुराना वाला ब्रश था उसके साथ अगेन जस्ट ब्लेंडिंग इन ताकि कोई भी हार्श एजेस नहीं है. बट बिसाइड्स दैट गाइस, हाउ हैव यू बीन? आई वाज वाचिंग यूट्यूब एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कि अब आजकल कोई ऐसे कोड अच्छे से कोई ट्यूटोरियल्स डालता ही नहीं है, एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग इंक्लूडिंग अस we also don't do it. Quickly, I want to show you that we are using this Anastasia X Chakiana palette, which is a very good palette, especially for Indian skin tones. People who are in the deep dusky skin tones, it's an amazing palette. So now I'm using the same Pukey shade from Jaclyn Hill palette and using it on the lower lash line. And please, if you have slept in this tutorial, wake up. This is the most important part if you want to open up your eyes. We are taking this Laura Mercier glitter stick kind of thing. I'm taking a flat brush and almost like I'm cutting the crease, and I'm just like giving the shape that her eyes just looks very open up and very big. Loki, I'm also thinking like this is such a good bridal glam also, but even if you want to go night out and like disc and just on a dinner date, it's a very nice glam. So this product that I'm using, guys, it's a very nice product. It gives your eyes that inner glow. बहुत made up सी look नहीं देती है. Again, sorry for our phone. We have to make content for you guys. And now what I'm doing is I'm just setting that liquid glitter kind of a thing using a powder shimmer. Can you see that her eyes are looking so big? Just see the difference. Ki on her left side of the eyes, the glitter looks intensified, and on the right side, it looks like a glossy normalcy eyes, and it almost looks जैसे कि मैंने cut crease करा है. Oof, I'm loving the eyes. Wow. Because I'm editing this video after like 7 months, so I'm like, wow. And obviously, at that time, we were in Chandigarh. Right now, we are in Mumbai. So the makeup taste has also kind of evolved. This makeup that you are seeing right now is like proper, full on transitions, liquid eyeshadow, then powder eyeshadow. And now I will just do probably two shades and done. Anyways, moving back to the eye. So what I have done is सबसे पहले मैंने एक smudger सा brush लिया. I took a dark brown shade, gave a eyeliner effect, and now I'm taking a angle brush and giving a proper precise liner. I myself am shocked कि इतने ज़्यादा steps मैं कर रहा हूँ because right now I'm at a very lazy step doing some white kajal just to open up her eyes. Mascara really makes a difference. And now I will be doing individual eyelashes if I'm not wrong. I'm just trying to remember the step, guys. Wow, her eyes are really looking big. Yes, I am doing individual lashes. Anchit on the behind, you can see, is kind of making a braid to snatch her face even more. Just kind of fast forwarding the video so that you can see कि क्या क्या होता है. We quickly wanted to show her the eyes and I wanted her to do some तारीफ जो कि उसने करी नहीं. Such a bitch our friend is. And this lip combo, I love this lip liner and NARS lips and gloss and just like final touches, and here are the results. What do you think? I love the glamour. I love her eyes are looking so big. What topic should we film next on? Bye bye. Love you guys.